Good morning, children. In the lines and angles, we are going to solve. In the adjoining figure AB parallel to CD, L is the transversal. Find X and Y. In the adjoining figure AB parallel to CD, that means these two lines are parallel and L is the transversal. Find X and Y. So, what is given in the question? We will write AB parallel to CD. Angle, here they are not marked in letter P, I will mark here. So angle PEB equal to 60, angle BEP equal to 40, angle EFP equal to 25 degree. Now if we take this PEF is a line, straight line only, so here 60 degree and 40 degree, the remaining angle we can use by straight angle only. So we should find X and Y. This angle is X. Okay. Proof. (60 plus 40 plus angle PEF equal to 180 degree straight angle. So angle PEF equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Now AB parallel to CD. Co-interior angles are supplementary. That is angle BEF plus angle EFD equal to 180 degree. BEF means 40 plus 80. And angle EFD means it is 25 plus Y equal to 180 degree. That means 145 plus Y equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 145. Y equal to 35 degree. Now what is left for us? X is left. So in triangle EPF, 80 plus X plus 25 equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So 105 plus X equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 105 equal to 75 degree. So X we got 75, Y we got as a 30.
Plus X is to Y equal to 3 is to 2, Y plus Z equal to 100, and AB parallel to CD, find A.
Already given that AB parallel to CD, X is to Y equal to 3 is to 2 and Y plus Z equal to 100. Now we have asked that what is the value for A. So we'll write here to find A. Now proof. P plus Y plus Z, it is P only. P plus Y plus Z equal to 180. Straight angle. So P plus 100 equal to 180. P equal to 80 degree. Next, X and Y is given. X is to Y equal to 3 is to 2 implies x plus y equal to 90, because this angle is 90, so x and y equal to 90 only. So we can write here it is 90 degree in triangle FG. Letter is not given, FG, I can give it the E only, ABCDE only here, EFG, angle sum property. So already it is in the relation 3:2 only. So the common letter we can take as a 3a plus 2a equal to 90. So 5a equal to 90. A equal to 18 degree. This A is the common ratio only, not this A, right? Now what is the next step? If A equal to 18, what is x? X equal to 3x, 3a, and y equal to 2a. That means 3 into 18, it is 54 degree, and y equal to 2a, it is equal to 36 degree. Now we need to find out A only, but here AB parallel to CD. So what about this one? A plus x and P are alternate interior angles. So we'll write here AB parallel to CD implies A plus x equal to P. What is A here? A only we have to calculate. X we have already calculated, it is 54, and P also we got here 80. Implies A equal to 80 minus 54 equal to 26 degree. Here I should write alternate interior angle. Space I have adjusted little bit. You can see the diagram and once again cross check the steps. So what is the value for A? A equal to 26. So little bit confusion not required here. First we have used P plus Y plus Z straight angle property. We have calculated P. Next they have told that X and Y are in a relation 3:2. So we considered the triangle FGE, because already one angle is 90, then sum of X plus Y is 90. Therefore each ratio, the common value will be 18. That means X is 54, Y equal to 36. After that what we should get? We want A only, so from the diagram we can write A plus X equal to P, alternate interior angles. A value we don't know, X we know, and P we know. Substitute. Then what we can write? A equal to 80 minus 54 equal to 26 degree. In the given figure, AB parallel to DC. X equal to 4y by 3 and y equal to 3z by 8. Find angle BCD. Which is that angle? BCD. That means set. Right? ABC. X plus y. And angle BAD. Nothing is given here. This angle it is. Angle BAD. Right? So these are the values we have to find out. So what is given in the question? AB parallel to CD, X equal to 4y by 3 and y equal to 3z by 8. Now what is the next step? To find all the angles we can write, otherwise in short I can write as Z X plus Y and angle BAD. Proof. AB parallel to CD. So angle X is here, means this also X only, right? So that is the alternate interior angles. So we'll write here AB parallel to CD, angle ABD equal to angle BDC equal to X, alternate interior angle. Now in triangle BCD, X plus Y plus Z equal to 180, angle sum property. What is x? 4y by 3. What is y? 3z by 8 plus z equal to 180 degree. Y is 3z by 8 only, so again I am replacing 4 into 3z by 8, here 4 by 3, right, plus 3z by 8 plus z equal to 180. 3 will get cancelled, so 4z by 8 plus 3z by 8 plus z equal to 180 degree. So 8 as the LCM means 4z plus 3z plus 8z by 8 equal to 180, implies 15z by 8 equal to 180. Z equal to 180 into 8 by 15. 3, 5, 360 and 5, 12. So it is equal to 96. Z equal to 96. That means angle BCD equal to 96. One answer we got. Now x and y we have to calculate. Y equal to 3z by 8. So 3 into 96 by 8. It is equal to 36. Right? Now x equal to 4 by 3 into 36. X equal to 48 degree. Now the question is not completed. What is asked here? Angle ABC. We have clearly written x, z, x plus y, z over now x plus y. That is angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to x plus y equal to 48. X is 48 plus 36 equal to 84. Now angle BAD. Angle BAD means angle sum property we should apply. That means angle BAD equal to 180 minus x plus 36. 180 minus x is 48. (180 minus 84) equal to 96. So BCD equal to 96, BAD equal to 96, then x plus y equal to 84. These are the three answers asked in the question. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD, prove that angle BPO plus POQ plus DQO equal to 360 degree. What is given in the question? AB parallel to CD. To prove angle BPO plus angle POQ plus angle DQO equal to 360. For this question, construction is required. What we are doing means through O, we are drawing a line which is parallel to AB. MN parallel to AB. Now proof. AB parallel to CD. MN parallel to AB implies MN parallel to CD. Got? That means all the three lines are parallel only. Now I am marking as angle BPO as 1. Here 2, 3, and this as a 4. Right? So you can understand easily, if these two are parallel, angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. Now what about a MN and a CD are parallel, means 3 plus 4 also, it is also equal to 180 degree. So that means when we add all these three angles, all the four angles, what is the right hand side? 180 plus 180, 360 will get. Let us see that one. Angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. The reason is AB parallel to MN and co-interior angles are supplementary. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. This time the line parallels are different. MN parallel to CD. The reason is same. When we add these two equations, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 360. Now what is angle 1? Angle BPO. BPO. Now 2 plus 3 together if we consider, what is the angle name? POQ. Angle 4 means angle DQO equal to 360 degree. Hence proved. So the construction part you have to remember in such question. In the given figure, BC parallel to D, ABG equal to 150 degree, BAD 30 degree, find value for X. So given BC parallel to D, angle ABG equal to 150, angle BAD equal to 30, to find X. Proof. 150 plus angle 1 equal to 180, linear pair. So what is angle 1? Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree, right? Now in triangle ABC, 30 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180. Angle sum property. Thirty plus angle 1 is also 30 we have. Angle 2 equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120. Therefore, angle 2 and angle X, if we consider, both are corresponding angles only. So, angle 2 equal to X, BC parallel to ED and also corresponding angle. Therefore, angle 2 equal to X equal to 120 degree. So what is the value for X? X equal to 120 degree. So this line, if we consider BC and ED are parallel lines only. Now corresponding angles are equal when it is a parallel line. So X and 2 are equal, that is both the value equal to 120 degree. With this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.